Hi, this review is going to be of Granny Smith and Honeycrisp and Pink Lady and Fuji apples. Now, some of these are organic and some of these are not organic. Hope you can see it all correctly because I can't see. This one is not organic, the Pink Lady. When I went to the store, they didn't have organic Pink Ladies available. I got a red delicious, but it turned out to be pretty overripe. So, I'll tell you right now, the Granny Smith apples are tart. However, the regular one is much tartar and it has thicker skin and less sweetness than the organic one, which has slightly thinner skin and much less tartness and a bit more sweetness. The Honeycrisp, and also the flesh of the regular one is denser than this one, but not by much. So, but I'll show you, yeah? So I'm going to cut off a little piece since I've already peeled it a bit. Okay, so that is the regular one. And that is the organic one. Quite tart. Some sweetness. The organic one is definitely less tart and more sweet, which I find interesting. And the skin, like I said, is a bit thinner on the organic one. Okay, so then the Honeycrisps, they both have very dense, crisp flesh. So let me cut off a piece of each. This is, oh, okay. Yeah, you may notice that when I'm cutting this, I've got my thumb back here by the blade. And that is, the reason is that gives me more control over how the knife moves through the flesh. But you do have to be careful not to go and cut open your flesh. That would be unpleasant. All right. A bit tart, sweet, crisp. Not as crisp. Not as tart. About as sweet. Okay. Now the Fuji's. And just in case you don't know this, when you're looking at fruits, and I think also vegetables, if the barcode number starts with a 9, like this one does not, if the barcode starts with a 9, 5 digits, that means it's organic. If it does not have a 9 at the start, then it's not organic. Okay. Here's the regular one. Sweet, mild flavor. The Fuji's have thinner skin than the Honeycrisps and Granny Smiths. Granny Smiths are very popular for pies because the tartness contrasts all the sugar that's in the pie. I would say that for the Fuji's, the flavor is very, very similar. The organic one is slightly sweeter, though, I would say. And now, let's try the Pink Lady. That's got a tart and sweet flavor. Not tart like a Granny Smith, although it's kind of similar to the tartness of the organic Granny Smith. So now let's compare just the non-organic ones to each other. So wow, yeah, that just keeps reminding me of how tart it is. I think I'm going to do a little bit differently for this. I'm going to put it in a different order. I'm going to start with the Fuji. Mild, well, kind of a mild flavor, sweet. The Honeycrisp has more tartness than the Fuji, and probably more sweetness as well. I would say that the Pink Lady is less sweet than the Honeycrisp, and also not as sweet as the Fuji. It is around as tart as the Honeycrisps, though. And this one is the tartest and the least sweet of the four. So if you want tart, Granny Smith. If you want a mixture of sweet and tart, either the Pink Lady or the Honeycrisp, and especially if you just want a nice milder sweet flavor, the Fuji. If you want a really dense, crisp apple, then the Honeycrisp. If you want also dense, then the Fuji. The Granny Smith. Now let's go with the organic ones. Again, I don't have an organic Pink Lady. It's a nice sweetness, nice flavor, soft flesh, just like the other one, the other Fuji, I mean. This Honeycrisp has crispness that is about the same as the Fuji. Not as sweet. Not really tart though. The Granny Smith's definitely tartar, but it's also got a fair amount of sweetness, and it is a little bit denser, I would say. So again, if you're looking for something dense, the Granny Smith. If you're looking for something with sweet and tart, you'll go for the Granny Smith or the Honeycrisp. If you're looking for a Fuji, and again, these are all the organics. Then, if you want sweetness, then go for the Fuji. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.